this is an infection, because it's not one iguana, two iguana, three iguana. No, no, this is an infection.
Jessica here with Iguana Solutions. We're on a property that we have been hired to get 100 iguanas because they dig into the lake banks. They also eat up all the flowers, poop on the cars, and apparently steal people's barbecue while they're trying to barbecue out here. We'll have to try to show that to you.
Okay. So what are you going to do for me?
So we had a barbecue 2 weeks ago.
All right, talk to you.
And we put them in that pool. Try to
He got in the food?
Yes.
Did he ruin
into
it?
my meat.
He ruined the food?
Yes.
That's insane.
No. This is an infestation.
So we've already gotten some support from some people, but I know some people don't support iguana removal out here. So we're going to be very careful how we move out here. So stick with us. We've already self-reported to the police, because when you're doing things that are within the law, you should be able to tell the police where you're at and what you're doing, and that's exactly what we do. So follow us along. I've got the Atomic XR with me, and let's go see if we can find some iguanas. Even on high power.
Okay. Really?
Yeah. So we're gonna take this.
Is that
right
like
here.
a gun safety thing? Or is just like just how awesome Brocock is?
This gun just isn't that high of power. It only goes up to 20 foot-pounds.
Oh, okay. Shout out to Brocock. Nice.
Shout out to Brocock on that shot. Offhand. Let's see if we can get the other one.
Where'd
Did
she
he
go?
move?
I think she did.
I think you're right on she. It did look like a girl, didn't it?
She didn't.
That was a boy that just fell.
Yep, they're always mingling.
There she is.
She's right up top.
She's right above.
Yep, I see her. I have eyes. Contact.
Right.
Nice.
Oh, she does the tree dance. Look at that perfect dangle. Man, that's like a 9.9 dangler right there.
That's a lucky one. Unfortunate.
I might have to screenshot that, and then that becomes the dangler logo.
Hold on, let me get a close up of it. Oh yeah, that's a money shot.
Just by a toe.
Just
That's how
by-
they do it, man. I'm gonna bounce on the ground like that.
We had a king and a queen.
King and a queen?
Yeah.
What happened? The squirrel just attacked you?
No, those
bugs?
Yeah.
They just harassed me too. I like got in a swarm of
Just
them.
got in my mouth.
Oh, the big one's right there. He's in the shadow.
Where?
In the shadow behind the green one.
Oh, okay, I see him.
I'm going for the green one first.
Okay.
Got over him. I think my parallax is off from the drop the number. Can't see him. I'm gonna take this off of my gun. The big boy is right there.
I see him.
I think the green one's gonna rise back up for him.
No, that one's KO. It's maybe the wind. Maybe he's
not
just.
hitting him in the right spot. Yeah, it's me. Come back over. Little bitty
Oh,
guy right
he
here.
came back. He came right back.
I'm out of pellets. We gotta go get pellets.
All right, let's go.
Big boy right here. He's only like maybe 20 yards. Tail up. Got him, good sized boy. Everybody's watching too, so we're gonna bring him over here. Don't know if those are supporter watchers or upset watchers, so I don't want to make too big of a deal about them.
Yep.
And then we've got our other guy that we shot from across the water right here. I think he's gonna need an extra one on the top of his head. So we're gonna take care of that now. Got you iguanas. This guy's about 20 yards. Already running. He ran.
I still see him.
You still see him?
Yeah. He's on the back side. Oh,
I
there's
see
two.
him now.
There's one on the back side.
Of that tree.
Yeah.
He's going up that tree now. Let me see if I can. Yeah, let's put over there. See if we can't see where they go. Got him. There's another one way that went up this other tree. This guy's eyeless up there, if you can get a look at him. Two iguanas, three iguanas, four iguanas. On the ground right here. Five iguanas on the ground right here.
Which one are you going for?
The one to the right. Sniper. There's like three other iguanas over here though.
And then
these are up these trees, so one definitely went up that tree, and I think two went up there.
one just went up that third one.
You can spot any movement. This one's right behind the eye.
The tree was in the way of that one.
Look, this one is like propped up with a shot through its ear. We're gonna do a 10 hold on this. Knock him down real quick. Like that. And we still have the one hanging in the tree. Let's go get it. It's still hung up. He just slouched over the side. Let me knock him down real quick. That's what we got, huh? Still rolling around, and look at that devastating hole in the head. They're beasts, man. Absolute beasts. I say it all the time. Okay guys, we're staying in the truck because a lot of iguanas will run whenever you try to get out the truck and walk around. Well, you can see he's just sitting there waiting for us to deliver some lead his way. So we're gonna take the shot from in the truck, see if we can't mow down a whole bunch of iguanas today. He likes shots like that. Hopefully the rest of them will like it too. Okay guys, we gotta pick up this little green iguana, but Iguana Ninja with the eyes of 1,000 iguanas and ninjas. Spotted like in the shadow in the center of this tree, an iguana that's big and orange and like a deep red orange. We're gonna go over there and see if we can get him in just a second. Let me grab this iguana. We got our little guy here. Let's go get the big guy.
Let's see if I can zoom in on him real quick.
I'm out of poke. Can you reload it and then we'll go over it?
Yeah, I got him on camera. He's huge.
Standing right by the road and humans,
Yeah.
so it does invite a little more interaction with people, but we're gonna do what's safe.
Oh, right here, right here. Headshot.
Can you see him?
Yeah, he's like right here. All right, so his head is a little past the trunk of the tree. Hold on, let me record it.
So I'm finally able to spot the iguana. I could not see it for the life of me. But if we follow the straight tree that's in the background up, where all the branches that cut in front of it stop and you get more of a gap of things cutting in front of it, the iguana's head is hidden right behind it. Gonna wait for traffic. Go ahead and load a shot. We're on high power. We're shooting maybe 20 yards. See where we find him. Come down a branch in front of him. Just double checking traffic. Hang on.
On the wall.
I'm watching.
I don't have eyes.
He's really in the thick of it now. He sees me too. He's a little under 20 yards probably.
Hold on, I found him.
Yes, Iguana Ninja found him again. He's out like a light, but we want him to fall, so I'm going to hit him again. He is very dead, so he didn't really move. Let me see if I can see what's holding him up.
Yeah, oh,
Yeah.
try to shoot him in the tail.
Shoot him towards the tail. Let me see if I can't hit him in the pelvis and make him wiggle.
Okay.
I don't want to mess up the meat because somebody might be eating me.
Yeah.
I'm going to shoot him around the head instead.
Okay.
Oh. He didn't do anything. He's just really dead. Okay, I'm going to do a pelvis shot. I think I can see it. Oh, he's hanging now.
He is hanging. Oh, he's trying to scratch it off.
Yeah! Man, he's not the biggest, but they really start to turn bright orange this time of year.
Ooh!
He's not small either. But they definitely get bigger than this. Here, let me switch around so y'all can see how pretty he is in the light. So he's getting those bright colors. This is breeding season because we're in November now. And so they're having more testosterone, they're fighting more. We should expect to start seeing wounded males. And we should expect to start seeing some brighter colored iguanas where they get peach faces and bright orange colors. Got you iguana? So guys, when we pulled up to this spot, Iguana Ninja said to me, that tree right there always has an iguana in it. And that tree right there always has an iguana in it. So we pointed out the orange one and we went and got it. And I tried to keep walking this way and he said, no, there's still one in here. And here it is, peeking down at us. He is super sneaky because he has a tree branch right behind his head. I feel comfortable taking this shot just as long as we have no traffic around, just so they don't feel uncomfortable. And now that they just passed, we're already preloaded here. Barely holding over. A clean shot that he appreciated, worked out nicely. Came through the top of his head. Got you iguana. We got a sneaky iguana over here in the light.
He's still there.
I'm trying to get up to the next tree.
All right.
There's a guy in the background over across the water. I just don't want him to freak out. Look at that cat.
Knocked out.
Hang on. Got tail's whipping around. He's excited about that one. Little upside down iguana served directly to you. Show him that orange one. About to go get him. He's like on a mission, man. He's on the move.
So are we.
We gotta watch him, make sure he doesn't. Look at him head bobbing like he knows we're coming.
He knows.
Remember, we have permission to be here and you don't, so don't come on the properties you see on our videos. They will call the cops on you. Around the corner.
Yeah.
I'm trying to see if I can't get the shot off this light. He's right here, he's right here. Can only see his leg and stuff. Let me see if I can see him from this thing. Look at this tree.
Wait, where is it? Where is it?
On the ground and his head sticking up.
Okay, I see it.
I didn't hold high enough the first time. He's closer than I thought. This guy's like right at 20 yards, no more than 20. Wind's starting to kick up. I'm gonna hold a little right. He loves it. One just went up right there. There's one on the ground. There's one in the distance. You see the one at the edge of the water right
Yeah.
there? Look at our boy slumping over. Oh, it hit me in the face.
And I caught that on
That's an
camera.
iguana.
Nice.
Look how pretty his face is, man.
Dude, look
They're
at that.
gorgeous. This time of year. Come on, let's get this.
Gave him a one and done. Crazy.
Start really close up.
Wait,
I don't think I gave you time. I'm sorry.
it's alright. I got the aftermath. My apologies for not seeing it yet.
There's one that also went up this tree right here in front of us, and there's another one on the ground up ahead. Let me grab this one because we'll start to lose track. Remember, there's still one on the ground that shot before the orange bullet.
Yeah.
Yeah, this iguana's a lot bigger than I realized. We gotta put this one on ice.
Look at
That's
that.
a good sized girl,
Look
yo.
at that Sheila.
She's a fatty.
It's an 80 piece.
Look, she has like an infection in her leg though. See how her leg's all fat compared to this one? She's scarring and stuff. Something going on with her leg there. She got serious drippage.
Oh,
Those aren't iguanas. I thought they were iguanas too for a second. Oh, look across on the corner. Dude, look across on the corner.
Hold on one second. I was trying to get the osprey. On the corner?
To your right.
Oh, sweet Mother of Mary Joseph. We got one.
Yes, ma'am. We were hired by the association.
Yeah, they're bad right now.
Yeah, we're trying to get the big ones out of here. We
Yeah.
don't have any problems. Thank you. We're going to ice so people can eat them too.
Yeah.
Oh, Jess. Giant. Big female right here. Right here.
I see it. I looked down to see where you're at, and then now I've lost it. I see it now. You good? Don't.
Hold on one second. All right, yeah, we're good.
Okay, I can barely see his eye. Got him. Ooh, came right up through the top of his head there. We're gonna drop another one in him because he's so stinking big. I should say. I think this is a really big female.
That's another big Sheila.
Got you iguana. Some people are gonna be eating good iguana tonight.
Oh yeah, iguana tacos.
There had been one on the ground. Oh, that's that big one you saw.
Yeah, that thing is huge.
Let's sneak up on him behind me.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Oh, there's another giant in the tree above you.
Can I show you?
He's a massive. He's right there. You see his belly?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. We're getting giants, y'all.
Oh, hold on, man.
Oh, I'm at it. Pellets. Give me a second. I'm gonna
All
reload.
right, we're gonna pause. We'll be right back.
He's looking. I'm gonna shoot off your shoulder.
All right, hold on. Let me just capture his face first.
I'm gonna capture his face too. You ready?
All right, no, not at all. 1 second, please. Give me a sec. Okay, never mind. I loaded.
You got him?
Yes.
I'm ready. Here we go.
Fire.
He's not ready. Ooh, the drip in the eye. It's only through the eye.
And he's still up.
Yeah, I know. Give me just a second.
I still have contact with him with the
I have a
camera.
shot right here.
All right, you're good.
Oh, they're high now. He has no eyeballs now. They took out both. See if I can hit him on that parietal eye. I don't know what to say, guys. Here he comes. And his buddy's watching from right there. So we're going to move slow and carefully. Because we don't want him to run and jump in the water. Look at the devastating hole in the top of here.
Oh, what a shot.
Look at that, man. It is crazy what it takes. I told you I was going for the parietal eye and I hit it. That's this white dot that's normally right there. But we kind of blew it all out right here with the atomic. He's got a hole big enough to put your finger in right here. That's unreal. That's what it takes to kill the big iguanas. Probably still move. See? You see?
I saw that. Reflexes.
Let's hit this big boy that thinks we don't see. Nice spot on that again, Iguana Ninja, because that was a really nice boy.
Thank you.
That's that bird.
Okay, I just had to make sure.
We stay behind this tree. He won't move.
Okay. Yeah, he is.
You gotta get right here.
I got eyes.
You see him?
Yeah. Nice.
Not a small one. He's all dark just because he's not hot yet. He hadn't been out in the sun.
Yeah.
But all of his buddies are out in the sun already, just across the water if we pan over there. just kind of scan these trees, and then I say we go grab the ones we see.
Yeah. I found it and good to go. Got a tree in the background. Perfect backstrap. Nice.
I was shooting lower than I like. I put it on the medium power for that because I didn't want a shot flying way off past these bushes.
True.
So I was afraid low power was gonna drop too much. But my first 2 shots went right under his chin because of it. Our final shot, let's see where we caught him. Another iguana in the bush. Right under the eye is where I caught him. So I'm happy with where I was able to hold the gun. Just should have held a little bit higher with that low power. But clearly get a difference in power whenever you switch with those knobs on the Brocock. Okay guys, so we have been here for 3.5 hours. We got 24 iguanas, and I'm super happy because so many of them are so large. People are going to be able to eat these. We've had them on ice, so they're not going bad. Only the little ones were kept off of ice. We got some monster iguanas here. CJ got a few shots in and did some great shots on some iguanas. Make sure to check out his channel at Iguana Ninja because he has a lot of fun and content too about hunting iguanas. He used the Brococks and you get to see how it works for other people as well. And so stay tuned because we're coming back here maybe even today. We just got to go get some lunch. I'm starving. So 24 iguanas in this amount of time is not bad, especially the size we got. So stay tuned. Got you iguana.